Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in the Kodular tutorial video. So today I'm going to make a new project that is Islamic radio app. So without any further ado, let's go to the video. Okay, so first thing first, you have to enter the Kodular creator.kodular.io or the Kodular platform. So then create a project, we'll name it radio app. Wait, radio app, radio app, radio app. Then click next buttons, then app name, give it Quran radio, maybe Quran radio. Okay, Quran radio. Then just click the finish buttons. Okay, still waiting. Okay, now we have entered our workspace. Then change the device to Samsung Galaxy S9 because this is the biggest frame you can get in the Kodular platform. And then for the screen one, so our apps just only have one screens. So the screen one is our only screens. So after that, then we have to uncheck the bar like option menu, then status bar, then the titles also. Then we have to prepare some assets too. So here I have prepared some assets. So here is our assets. There is a background, then we have an button image for our buttons, then we have a posters for just for make the UI more beautiful. So after that, let's upload our assets. So go to the assets manager buttons, then click on the upload assets, then go to your file. So we'll upload it one by one. Okay, so all of the file has been uploaded. After that, just close the assets manager, and first thing first, we'll add some like background for our apps. So for that, go to the screen one properties panels, then go to the background image right here, select from known to the background.png. Okay, so our background was changed. Then after that, we have to go to the layouts and then general, and we have to take the vertical arrangements and set it to full parent, both height and width. Okay, after that, we'll make a card view. We'll take the card view, but first thing that we have to make the background color of the vertical arrangement to be known, so we can see it fully, our background, but still there is a vertical arrangement right here. Then we'll name it the vertical arrangement layout, main layout as the layout, then rename. After that, give it a card view right here. Then in the layout or the vertical arrangement, we have to set the line horizontal and the vertical. So just set it to center. So the both of this set it to centers. Then after that, we'll add some like image in this card view. So the first we'll set the height and the width first, 70. So I'll use the percent units, 75% or 65%. Okay, then go to the user interface and take the image components. In the card view, we have to set the alignment, and back to the image and set the picture to poster1.png. Okay, then after that we'll test it on the companion. So this is my emulator, then click the test and then connect to companion, then enter the following code. Okay, so click. Okay, establish secure connections. Okay, so let's back to our companion. So this is our image. I think we'll resize it. We'll resize this one. So I think I'll resize the card view, like maybe 45% for the height and the width 75, I think. So let's look back at the width. I'm sorry. Let's look back at the companion. Yeah, then we'll go to the image. I forget to set the height and the width to file parent. Then after that, let's look at. Okay, this is good. Okay, after that, I think I will increase the width. Increase the width 85%. Okay, then we'll set it. Oh yes, I think this one is enough. Then yes, okay. Then we'll give it some corner radius right here for the card view. Change it from 2. I think 7 is enough. 7. No, 7. Yes, maybe 20. How about it? But in the emulator for the height, I think I'll increase the height to 47. Okay, this is enough. So the next step, we'll add some label below the card view, and don't forget to rename the card view to the poster. Then rename. Okay, then go to the user interface, then take the label, put it below the poster or the card view. For the label, change it to the header. Okay, then rename. Then for the font size, we'll increase it to 30. Then set for the width to the fill parent, and for the text alignment to the centers, and then change the text radio app. Then I think I'll use the default font typeface from the Kodular and change the text color to the white, so it will be contrast with the background color. Then I'll increase the font size maybe 50. Okay, then change the font monospace. Wait, monospace, how about it? Okay, monospace, and then give it bold. Okay, maybe I'll add text like Islamic radio app. Wait, I think radio is enough. Radio app. Okay, just then take the space, so we'll give some space between the card view and the label. Space. For the H, set it to 3%, I think. 3%, and width 2%. Yes, this is enough, I think. Then we'll add a buttons to play the to play for to play the radio. So right here we'll take two buttons, but first we have to go to layout and then take the horizontal arrangement, put it below the level, radio app level, then set the width to the field parents, the field. So in this horizontal arrangement we'll put two buttons that horizontal horizontals. So for the line horizontal, set it to centers, and for vertical, centers also. Then after that, I think we'll set the background color to none, so we can see the background also. After that, we'll take a new alignment arrangement. Arrangement that is vertical arrangement. So in this vertical arrangement, we'll put buttons and labels. So for the horizontal arrangement, name it as button sections. Then rename, and for this vertical arrangement, set it to button 1 arrangement. Button 1 is button 1 underscore arrangement rename. Then after that, go to the user interface, then take the buttons. Wait, where is it? I think I'll search it button. Okay, then put it into the vertical arrangement, and then take the label also, put it below the buttons. So okay, then back to the button 1 arrangement, set it to the centers for the alignment. And for the button, we'll not use the text, but we'll add an image to these buttons. So for the text, we can make the text empty, and then for the image, we can set it to play. Yes. Then let's look at our emulator, and I think I'll increase the font size, so it will increase the button size 30. I think it will not increase. Okay, I think I have to set the age and the width. I think 130. Okay, let's look back. Okay, I think it's enough. It's time to increase the label font size 30, maybe. Set the width to automatic, text alignment to centers, then set the text to play. Then let's look back. Okay, it's enough. Yes, it's enough. Then set it to font bold. For the font face, sans serif, I think. Nope, not sans serif. Font awesome. No, also roboto. Yeah, I think roboto. Okay, wait, this is very thin. So serif, I think. Just refresh the companion screens, and that's okay. Then change the text color to white, so it will make the label and the background contrast. Oh no, my emulator is disconnected. So wait. Okay, so I have connect the companion again. So after that, we'll give it a space between the label and the horizontal arrangement. But before that, we'll rename the button. So the button, we'll give it button play and pause, play or pause. Wait, it cannot. So just play and pause. Button play pause. This is for the button arrangement one. Then uh, select the button arrangement. Then Control C and Control V. With Control C, Control V. Okay. So after that, change it to button arrangement. Rename the button arrangement. Button to arrangement. Button to arrangement. Then rename. Then also rename this one to button stop. 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 Okay, button stop. Then rename. Then change the image to the stop.png. Then change the text for the label to stop. So let's look back at our emulator. Yes, right, like this. Then we'll give it some space, and we will using units percent units for the units. Put it between the radio app and the horizontal arrangements. And for the H, I think I'll set to 4%. Wait. Okay, 4%, 5%, or 6%, or 6%. Yes, it's good. Then another space between the first button and the second button on the horizontal arrangement. Set it for the width to 3%. So I think I'll increase it to 10%. I think 10%. Okay, just waiting. Okay, after this our UI is totally done. So our next step is about to program our projects. So the system of this project, that is, if we click this play button, it will play some radio online, and then we can pause or we can stop our play. So for that, we have to take some extra in the utilities. We so take for the first is player 1 player, and then put it, and it will not show because it's only used in the foreground. And then the second widget, that is notifier, then put it, and for the player notifier it will not show in the UI because it used for the program. So we are going into the blocks. Yes, we are going to programming sections. Yes. So for the first we'll make some slide. We'll make for this button. If we click the play button, it can change to the pause button, and if we click for the stop button, it will change again for the play button. So let's code the first as usual. Take from the button sections, button 1 arrangement, and then button 2 arrangement. For the button 1 play and pause, button 1 play and pause. Then take the one button play and pause, click 2. So back to the block session. Okay, back to the blocks. So we'll use a if then else or if then else logic. So go to the logic right here, I mean control, then take the if then click the setting buttons right here, click the setting buttons, then add else below the if. So if then else. So back to the logic, then take the equal, put it in the if, then still on the buttons, where is button play and pause. So in the button play and pause, take the button, just take button, not this one. In the button play on pause, don't take in the vertical arrangement, but take on the buttons. So take this one, and then button play and pause image equal with, then take an image right here. You can take image right here, same mean play. So if button play and pause image equal then play.png, then so we'll make this button change to the pause button. So right here, set button text, set button play and pause. From text color we change it to image, and for the image you can duplicate from this one and then change it to the pause. Then we'll change the label also. For the label, click the label one, then set label, take the set label with set label, then from the marquee change to the text. Then we will take some strings right here, strings, and then we'll click pause. So it will change to the pause, and else it means the image from of the button play or pause on and pause is not play.png. So we'll set it, so it means the image is paused, so we'll change it to the play.png. So just duplicate this one, and for this one also duplicate, and for the image change it to the play, then the text change it to the play. Then the second one will make the stop buttons. The button stops, take the button stop. When button stops, click and do. Then take the set button play on pause. Just copy this one. Okay. Then refresh our companion screens, and let's look back on our emulator. Yes, it's fully work. Like here. Wait. Set level 1 text. Yes. Okay, it's totally work. Now we'll make if we click the button, it will play some radio. So for the audio links, you can find it at radioislamindonesia.com, and then go to right here, go to the player right here, and then right click, and then you can copy audio address, or you can use another audio address. That's up to you. But right here I have my own audio address. So right here I have copied my radio address. Then we'll call the source. So the first we'll take in the controls. I think we have to take in the screen first. So in the screen, in the screen, okay, in the screens we can take the when screen 1 initialize, okay, wait, okay, when screen 1 initialize, then take the player 1, then take the player 1, set player 1, then take the set player 1, then change to the source, and then take in the text, take the string, and then fill it with the audio address, and then okay, after this will make if the button click, it will play the radio. So the first, go to the player one, then take the call player one pause, then take the call player one start, and the last is player one stop. So for the stop, call player one stop will give it into the button stops, and then for the pause, it's been in these sections will give it call player one pause, and then after that, in right here we can give it to start. Okay, so it can play give some players. So let's check it. Refresh our companion screens. Okay, okay, so okay, let's click it. Yes, it will be lagging because it's used some of internet, but it's totally work. So maybe this is the last. Exactly, you can add like notifier. Then for this notifier, you can add it when you click or play your audio. It will notify on notify your device or something else maybe. So maybe that's all from my tutorial. I hope you can get a valuable lessons from this video. And for the last, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.